I'm Vignesh and welcome back to my YouTube channel Cloud and AI Analytics. Hope everyone are doing good. So in today's video, we are going to see how to create a signed URL. That is how to create temporary access in bucket in Google Cloud Storage. This is the objective for today's video. It is very simple and straightforward. I hope you understood the objective and without any further delay, let's get started. So um, the main purpose of creating this signed URL is to provide a temporary access to the contents which is present inside the GCS bucket. So to whom the access or to the content is created, to the people or to the users who don't have enough or necessary access to that bucket, or the people who don't have GCS or Google account itself. So it will be in the form of URL, and that URL will get expired after a time period. That time period will be mentioning as part of our gsutil command. So the maximum period will be for validity is for 7 days when when private key file is used. So if you see, when private key file is used, then the maximum period will be 7 days. But when service account is used, it will be maximum only for 12 days. So this will be the syntax: gsutil sign URL. The duration is for 10 minutes, and hyphen u like the service account, and gs that object or the bucket location. If you wanted to learn more about this, you can go to this two URLs. I'll go to this URL and I'll show you the path. This is how the gsutil command is formed. Like gsutil commands, we are using a sign URL. So hyphen c is content type, duration, end method, passwords, hyphen r is for region, project, all those things. So you can take a look at this to get a detailed understanding of what is what. In this project or in this demo, we'll be using the service account, that is hyphen u. We'll be using the service account credential, which will be maximum, it will be available for 12 hours. If you wanted to use this 7 days, you can use this private key file also. So without any further delay, uh, there is a I guess there is no delay now. We'll now see how to implement it practically. So now I'll be opening my console, Google Cloud Console. This is my Google Cloud Console, not this one. This is my Cloud Shell editor actually. So this is my Google Cloud Console. um, I'm going into my cloud storage, so you can search it from here, or else you can navigate from this menu. You can see here, like, yeah, in under storage you can find cloud storage. Click on that cloud storage. You can create bucket, or already there is the bucket is existing. So before that, I wanted to tell you one concept called service account. Since we are using that hyphen u, I'll be using my service account. So you can open the service account from the console. You can click on this, or you can again you can go through this IAM page. Where is that IAM? Yeah, inside this IAM, click on this IAM and go to this service account page. Service account, click on the service account. I'll be using my default compute engine service account. So to generate key, or to generate the key will be already generated. If you don't know, like, please refer to my pre other videos. I'll give those videos in the description box. You can take a link at it. So inside this manage keys, I have already one keys. I have recently created it. This is April 30 2022, and I am also in April 30 2022. And this is my file, service account shared url.json. This is the JSON file which I have downloaded for this purpose, and I am uploading the same service account dot shared URL JSON in my Cloud Shell editor. To do that, you can click on this and upload. Click on upload. Under file, click choose files, and go to that location where you have downloaded it. Click on it and open it. Like, it will upload into our Cloud Shell or Cloud Shell editor. You can get. Now you can frame this URL. So to frame this URL, gsutil sign URL, the duration is for 60 seconds. gsutil sign URL duration is for 60 seconds. I'll give the same here. So if you see here, gsutil sign URL hyphen d duration 60 seconds, and then you should take the service account key. So you can take it from here. click on this, rename, close this, and click on this service account.json. And what is the file name which you wanted to give access? So I'll be using demo underscore bucket 97. This bucket is already created, and I'll be using this, um, which one, like sample one.txt. Before that, I just wanted to check. It should be in the Google managed key. So I'll be using this earthquakes.csv. Click on this earthquakes.csv and take this, copy this location, GS location, and click on this. So yeah, now you can copy this URL, go to incognito mode and paste it and hit enter. Now the file has got downloaded, earthquakes.csv. You can open that earthquakes.csv and you can file it. So this file will be valid only for 60 seconds. So after that 60 seconds, this file will get the access the sign. You will be not able to access the sign URL after that 60 seconds. So that's it for this today's video. I hope you learned something new from this video. If you have any doubts or any questions, please drop that in the comment section. I'll take a look at it and reply as soon as possible. So I'll meet you in the next video with new content, with interesting content related to Google Cloud Platform. Until then, it's bye from Vignesh. Happy learning.